All right, welcome back. It's funny, I saw a kid in my neighborhood mowing the neighbor's grass barefoot, and I thought, man, that seems like a bad idea. Googled it, there's 77,000 people that are hurt by lawn equipment every year. So obviously I'm gonna do a video about it. I think we all know that doing barefoot yard work is a bad idea and you should never do that, but that's no reason not to gather our own data and do our own research. Still got a foot left over from Ballistics Dummy Lab, trimmer or weed eater that we call them here in the South, edger, and lawnmower. Let's find out what they can do at like 16,000 frames a second. All right, I'm gonna set you guys up right here. Human foot-ish. These bones are supposed to be pretty close to analog for like a human bone. I'm gonna try right across the top of the foot here, which I think that'd be kind of like the most realistic. It looks fine. We got a couple lacerations. Right there. You might be bleeding. Seeing the wave of energy travel through the gel is really cool. On the top is a lot of gel. It's got a lot of padding. I think though, more realistically, we'll be on these thinner spots where the bone is like right under the skin, right? We peeled it down to the bone. We got exposed bone here and here. This is ballistics gel. It's not a great analog for skin. This would be, I think, pretty hard to do to yourself. Let's try it. Maybe just the toes. I'm acting like there's a right and wrong way to do this. Oh, ouch. Oh, that looked bad. So the toes are gone. It sucked the bones out of the toes. Honestly, wouldn't matter if you had shoes on or not. That's gonna be a bad day either way. Oh. Okay, so for the lawnmower portion of our program, I built this table that's tall enough. That was a manly sound. Built this table that's tall enough to be able to put a camera underneath it, and the top's made out of Lexan. I guess the scenario that I'm creating is your, what's this called? Grass chute? The grass chute is clogged up and you're kicking it to get the grass unstuck without turning the lawnmower off. Barefoot. So if I go here, crank, should have thought that through. I mean, this is all a bad idea. Be up and safe and then chunk this into the death blades. While I've got you here, the algorithm seems to be favoring likes lately. So if you're enjoying what you're seeing so far, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit that like button. I don't think we're doing this properly. Bad idea. Oh my God, it shot a piece like 30 feet. Oh, hang on. There it is. Oh my gosh. That's incredible. That's all the bones, and that's just the meat. Did you find it, Kevin? Yeah. Good boy. Let's do some detective work. I think there were toes here that we cut off with the edger. This bone, I think, went up inside this way, and this one went up this way, and then this is sort of this I think is more the ball of the foot. Okay, that's the top of the ankle. Golly, that's crazy. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget.